Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pilosia Salsabila. You can call me Bila. In this opportunity, I want to explain you about tourism development plan in Bandung. Okay, many development strategies can be carried out to create good tourism development. Each region has its own way of making strategies to develop the tourism sector. Some are using existing development strategy theories, others are creating new strategies according to their abilities, so the tourism sector development they want to implement can achieve their goals. Okay, next, in developing the tourism sector in Bandung is divided into three periods. First, the short term, which is focused on optimizing all tourism potential. During this period, several activities were carried out, including mapping the natural potential and making tourism programs in accordance with tourism potential, namely by developing tourist village tourism objects and working spaces. This tourist attraction is designed so that tourists can experience it for themselves. Several tourist villages and working spaces to be built include tourism villages in Cigadung, namely Bandung Creative Belt, Bandung Wetan, and Braga. Tourist attraction strategy, namely a strategy to increase the attractiveness of tourist objects so that tourists, both local and foreign tourists, are interested in visiting it. Okay, next second. The medium-term period with the focus point on consolidation or action to strengthen the tourism sector. During this period, the activities carried out were preparing a legal basis in tourism development, developing facilities and infrastructure, and building road access to tourist objects. The legal basis can be in the form of regional regulations, mayoral regulation, or other regulation. Development of facilities and infrastructure includes basic tourism facilities, tourism complementary facilities, and tourism supporting facilities. The main facilities for tourism, complementary facilities for tourism, and supporting facilities for tourism. This strategy includes the provision of various facilities for hotels, spas, restaurants, transportations, and various other sporting facilities. Other activities during this period were the construction of road access to tourism objects, an accessibility strategy, which is a strategy carried out to make it easier for tourists to reach tourists. The third or the last, the long-term period, namely by developing and distributing tourism objects. In this period, the activities carried out included creating cooperation between interrelated institutions in tourism development and conducting promotional activities related to existing tourist objects to increase tourist attractiveness to visit. Cooperation can be carried out both with the community and with other parties in order to support tourism development. Support or empowerment from the community is one of the keys to success in tourism development. Promotional activities include various activities to introduce tourism objects by creating an event calendar and promotion through printed media, social media, and providing a tourist information center. Included in the ancillary strategy, which is a strategy carried out to introduce various tourism objects and various regulations regarding tourism objects. Strategy preparation in each time frame is very important so that overall development can run and be carried out well. In conclusion, the city of Bandung is one of the cities that is excellent for tourists. Every year, the number of tourists, both domestic and foreign tourists, has increased by an average of 10%. Not all existing objects can be optimized properly. The tourists are still focused on culinary tourism and shopping. Tourism development is carried out through three stages. The first period is a short-term period,
namely by implementing the tourist attraction strategy. The second period is the medium term, namely by implementing the amenities and accessibility strategies. In this period, or the last period, the strategy was carried out by applying community improvement and ancillary strategies. Okay, I think that's it. I'm sorry if I have many mistakes, and the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.